Hey, I'm about to go to court. I'm really nervous, so I have my shirt on. I'm not smiling because it looks a little clownish, but this is my act of civil disobedience. This is my act of protest. Um, Going in front of these judges to hear about child support or anything, anything, while they are guilty of kidnapping, amongst other things, would be to be submitting my consent to their authority. Okay, and I have not. I consider what they've done to me and to my children to be a crime to this day. Um, I'm not gonna participate in any ritual that compels me to give consent to them. And this is my way in writing to say I'm terrified. I'm terrified of being hurt again, but I do not consent to this process. I don't consent to what you've done to me or my children. So I have written on here, never forget, Epstein's Mafia kidnapped my children, death to pedos, and tortured me twice to shut me up. I forgot how it ends, to keep me quiet or shut me up. I forgot. But I'm gonna go to court and I'm gonna probably go to prison. And I'm scared. I'm gonna do my best to say nothing, to not yell and scream and point my finger and raise my, none of that. I'm gonna be present at court. I'm gonna be where they want me to be. I'm gonna stand when they tell me to stand. I'm gonna sit when they tell me to sit. I'm gonna walk up to the stand when they tell me to answer their questions. I'm gonna do everything to try to not get put in prison. But I'm gonna be wearing this shirt the whole time. And if they make me take it off or make me leave, then that's gonna be the hitch. I'm not bringing a backup shirt. I'm fine. So I'm worried, but I feel I'm gonna lose my job. I'm gonna lose my house. I'm gonna be homeless. But I'm not gonna. It's signing away. It's submitting to their authority every time you participate in the ritual. And if you don't participate in the ritual, they hurt you. And they took my children away. And I, to this day, have not gotten a good reason why. Not even the accusation to my face. Nothing. So you think that would make anybody go crazy? You're right. You know? What do? I spanked my son once. I yelled at my wife once. They just 8 restraining orders. Whatever. I don't consent. And I'm going to articulate that in a way that can't be ignored, while simultaneously, in my understanding of the law, is not technically illegal. So I'm not trying to go to prison. Just don't consent.